Okay, so I'm going to show you how we're going to make a copy of the key here. So, this is the key machine with all the different key blanks that I have. All these are blank keys that haven't been cut. This is the machine. You put the... Here. This is the key for the lock we're going to make. That's the original key. Should I do this while holding the phone? So you put the key in there and you clamp it down. And then you put the blank one over here and you clamp it down. And then you move it in like this to cut the key. This key rides along here, which moves this part up and down and cuts the key. Okay, so I'll show that in a minute. These are the key blanks, one side. We spin it around to the other side. There's more key blanks. And then all the auto keys are down at the bottom. Different GM keys and everything like that. But the most popular blank is going to be this one right here, the KW1. This is the one, basically, that would open 90% of your house locks. Well, would fit. I mean, it's just a blank key, but that's the one that you would use for your house. The KW1, or the Slage 9. Slage is another lock, like another house lock one. And what we're going to be using is the Master Lock one, which would normally be an M1, but this is an SQ1 because it's just a different brand key from a different manufacturer instead of the Master one. Also, if you open this up, there's the different keys in here. There's the different key blank booklets and everything like that. And if we spin it around to the other side, we've got just the KW1 keys for the house. More boxes of keys here. There's another box of keys. Just different identification charts and stuff like that. It's an old key machine. It's definitely quite a few years old. But, okay. We got the original key on the machine. And we have the blank key. And you can tell that that one's blank and that one's cut. And when we're done, that one's going to look just like that. So I'm going to try to do this while filming. You definitely don't want to get your finger in there. Actually, let me show you the blade more close up. This is another cutting wheel. This is actually what it looks like. It's actually got some chips in it. With the little teeth. Yep. Okay. Let's try this. Try to get a good shot of this. Okay, so then we take the key out of here, and take it over to the wire brush to clean off any burrs. You don't want no burrs getting stuck in your lock. Okay, so there's the original key, and there's the copied key.